Now, sixth problem. Simplify sec of 1 minus sin A and sec A plus tan A. Now, sec A of 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Here sec A into 1, sec A minus sec A into sin A, sec A and sin A. Now sec A plus tan A. Next, here sec A minus sec A means write in the 1 by cos A into sin A, close. Next, sec A plus tan A. Now here sec A minus sin A by cos A, tan A of sec A plus tan A. Now this is in the form of A minus B and A plus B, that equal to A square minus B square, sec square A minus tan square A. So this is the simplification. Now sixth problem, seventh problem. Now seventh problem, prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Now here proof, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. Expand sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. Next, plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A and sec A. Now here sin square A cos square A. Before that remove the brackets. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Now here sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A means 1 by sin A, 1 by sin A plus already this cos square written here. Next, sec square A plus 2 cos A, sec A means 1 by cos A. Now sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1 plus here cosec square means write in the 1 plus cot square A plus sin A will be cancelled. This is 2 plus sec square means 1 plus tan square A plus 2 of cos A also cancelled. Now just remove the bracket here. 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. Now 1 plus 1 2 4 5 6 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Once observe the RHS. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So this is the proof of 7th problem. Now 8th problem. Show that 1 plus cot square theta and 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta equal to 1. Here first you have to take LHS. LHS given 1 plus cot square theta 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Now 1 plus cot square theta write as same. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square theta. Now 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta and 1 minus cos square equal to sin square theta. Here 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equals to sin square theta. Now cosec square theta write in the form of 1 by sin square theta into sin square theta. Numerator denominator will be cancelled, that equal to 1. So this is RHS. Now 9th problem. If sec theta plus tan theta equals to P, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Now solution, given that sec theta plus tan theta equals to P. Now here we know that here sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Here this is the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta, that equal to 1. Now here sec theta plus tan theta already given in the problem. Next here P of sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Now sec theta minus tan theta equals to, this will be right in the denominator. So sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. This is the 9th solution. Now 10th problem. This is the last problem from 11.4 solutions. Now if cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cos theta equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Now first we have to take this. In this one, this is RHS, this is LHS. Now we have to take RHS here. RHS k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Already k value given from the problem. Here cosec theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1. Now cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Now expand in the form of a plus b whole square. This is cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta minus 1. Denominator also cosec square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 1. Next step, first draw the line denominator. Here cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta minus 1. Numerator. Another, here cosec square theta plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosec theta cot theta plus 1. In the numerator, minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. In this also minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So what is the remaining? In this one cot square there. Here cot square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta divided by cosec square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta and cot theta. Another step, cot square theta plus cot square theta. Here 2 cot square theta 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta and cot theta. Denominator also cos square, sorry, 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta and cot theta. Now here 2 cot square theta, here 2 cot, take out common, denominator 2 cot theta. In this one again here cot, 2 cot and 2 cot common will become here cot theta plus cosec theta. Denominator also have to take 2 cosec theta common, the remaining cosec theta into cot theta, cosec theta plus cot theta. In this one 2 will be cancelled, again cot plus cosec and cot plus cosec will be cancelled. So what is the remaining? Cot theta by cosec theta. Now cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 by sin theta. In this one sin will be cancelled, that equal to cos theta. So this is the LHS proved, hence proved.